Hi, this is the Cafe Chef, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install and uninstall software under Windows. This is Windows 7, and it's similar in Windows 8, and pretty similar in Vista, and really not much different in XP. Pretty much this is all to do with going on a browser, and then finding the software, downloading it, opening the installer, running it, and then installing your software. And then I'll show you how to do an uninstall, which is different in XP than it is in any of these other newer operating systems. So we're going to start in Chrome, and I'm going to go to the website that I talk about in my previous blog, and that's www.download.com. And that's CNET's download service. All right. And I'm going to search for Glary Utilities right here in this box. And there it is, and I can click on that, and it's going to find it. Results for Glary Utilities. I'm going to scroll down. These first few links here are all sponsored links, and I suggest you avoid them at all costs. I suggest you also avoid these. They're all ads and sponsored products. And you go down to the first link, and you click on Glare Utilities, and you click on Download Now. And it should be downloading, and you can see in Chrome it shows it the progress down here in the lower left. It's a 15 megabyte file. That's the executable file. And now it's done, and I can go ahead and double click it. Saying it's still downloading. Okay, we will wait on that. Alright, so here are our downloads, and here is my GU3 setup, which is the Glare Utilities. So now I can show it in the Finder, or I can just click on this. Windows 7 warns me. Something downloaded from the internet. I say yes. And then I click Next. And I agree. And I click Install. And while that's happening, I can clean up my window by exiting out of Chrome. And the utility is installing. As I said in my previous post, Glare Utilities is an all-in-one utilities application. It does some cleaning up of your hard drive, cleaning of the registry, so it cleans deeply as well as on the surface. And we'll finish, and I'll just let you see what Glare Utilities looks like by letting it run. And like I said before, you want to avoid these upgrades to professional or any other offers they might have in the installation. Just say no thanks. It's always good to check for updates, but we'll just not worry about that right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to exit out of this by clicking the X and show you how to uninstall. It's still running, you can see. So what I need to do is go into my ribbon here, which is similar to the start, well, it is a start menu, but it doesn't say start. And we need to go to Control Panel. And then we need to find Programs and Features. You may see your stuff by category. If it's by category, you've got programs and you can just click on uninstall a program. If you change to large or small icons, then you need to find Programs and Features and click on, and it shows you uninstall or change a program. Now we just installed Glary, but we're going to go and uninstall it. So we need to go alphabetically and find it. There it is. And then you look up here and you click uninstall change. And then we click uninstall. And there's a lot to uninstall because there was a lot to install. Do you want to remove your settings? We don't have many settings, so we're going to say yes. And it wants to reboot, but we're just going to say manually reboot later. So then we can close this, and once you restart, the program is completely gone, and that's all there is to it. That's how you install and uninstall a program under Windows 7.